Hello children, today let us continue studying about verbs. We've already done a few exercises which were from our English textbook about verbs. Today we will be doing some more exercises only in the textbook. You don't have to do these in the classwork, but we will be needing to study these for the Essay 1 exam. This is our English textbook, page number 31, verbs. We already know verbs are action words, okay? And look at what's happening here. What is this child doing? She is swimming. So, swim is a verb. The action that we do is a verb. The sun shines in the sky. What is the sun doing? The sun is shining. It's doing an action. So, shines is a verb. Look at Kavita. What is Kavita doing? Kavita is running. Kavita runs on the road. The action that Kavita is doing is running. So, runs is the verb. V-E-R-B, verb. And what is Sita doing? Sita is painting. Sita paints a flower. So, paints is the verb. Similarly, let us look at different kinds of verbs. Okay, some words which don't have ing in them are verbs, and some words which have ing in them also are verbs. What is the verb for swims when we add ing? Swims will become swimming. Can you see? We added ing to swim and it became swimming. Swims is a verb and swimming is also a verb. What about shines? Shines becomes shining. Okay? And Kavita runs becomes running. Sita paints becomes painting. But then all the other words will change. Sita paints a flower. And when we want to say painting, we will say Sita is painting. Is painting a flower. So, painting is a verb, paint is a verb, but when we have ing, we usually put is or am or a helping verb behind this word. Okay, so we are going to look at the helping words. Is, am, are. These words will come behind the ing words. For example, the girl is reading. Can we see ing is here and we are adding is. The girl is reading a book. So, the verb is and reading both. Okay, both these are the verbs in this sentence. I am swimming. What about this? I am swimming. So, both these are the verbs. He is jogging. I am. In this case, there is no other action verb. So, am is the verb here. So, we use is, am or are when we talk about something that is happening. We use is or am when we talk about one person or thing except you. Read the given sentences. The girl is writing a book. We cannot say you is reading a book. The girl is reading a book. Can we say instead of the girl, can we say you is reading the book? No, we can't say you. That is what they mean by this sentence. We cannot use you. We cannot say you is reading a book. Never. We say the girl is reading a book. He is reading a book. She is reading a book. They are reading a book. I am swimming. We don't say you am swimming. That's wrong English. I am swimming. He is jogging in the park. I am 6 years old. Then we go on to some examples. We use are when we talk about two or more people or things. When there are more than one persons, we say are. In this case, what did we say? We said the girl is reading a book. When there are more than one girls, we say the girls are reading a book. So we use the word are when it is plural. We are playing in the park. You are looking at us. The girls are eating food. The cow is giving milk. So is singular, that is one, and are is for plural. Plural means, we all know plural means more than one. So is and are. Next, let's look at has and have. When do we use has? Has we use for singular and have we use for plural. Singular means one, plural means more than one. So let's go through the examples. Neeta has a car. Vineet has done his homework. So what is the verb here? Has is the verb. Here has done is the verb. Mohan has sung. Has sung is the verb. The cow has a long tail. My father has a white shirt. Can you see over here? Has and sung both are the verbs. In other cases, only has is the verb here. Only has is the verb here and only has is the verb here. Have is used for more than one person, place, animal or thing. For I and singular you. I have a pet dog. Ravi, you have a new bicycle. I have made this painting. They have many clothes. We have a holiday today. Can you see? They and have. Have we use for plural. But we have also used have for singular I. When we have to use I, we never use has. Has will be used for any other noun which is singular. But have will be used with I and you. Remember, the plural verb have will be used with I and you. And also the plural. Okay, they have. We don't say they has. They has many clothes. Wrong. They have many clothes is the correct thing. We have a holiday because they and we are more than one. But in this case, I have made this painting. We cannot say I has made this painting. Have is used with I and you which are singular. That is an exception. So I have a pet dog. Ravi, you have a new bicycle. I have made this painting. They have many clothes. We have a holiday today. So let's try to do some exercises. Color the boxes that have verbs. Can we color the boxes that have verbs? Yes. In this case, I'll tick it. You can color it in your textbook. Hand is not a verb. Play is an action. It's a verb. Cloud is not an action. It's a noun. So it's not a verb. Dance is an action. It's a verb. Book is a noun. It's not a verb. So we'll color dance and we'll color play in the textbook. What about climb? Climb is an action. You have to do it. So it's a verb. So let's color climb. Chair. Chair is a noun. It's not an action. So we will not color it. It's a noun, not a verb. Swim is a verb. It's an action. Eat is an action. Read is an action. Man is a noun. It's not an action. Sky, it's a noun. It's not an action. Fly, it's a verb. It's an action. Hunt, Yes, you can go and hunt something and catch it. That's an action. Table? Table is a noun. It's a thing. It's not an action. It's not a verb. Drink? Yes, drinking is an action. It's a verb. Go ahead and color it. Sleep is an action. It's a verb. So go ahead and color it. Grow? It's an action. So it's a verb. It's an action. So we color it. Green is a noun. We don't color it. Write is an action. It's a verb and we color it. Smile is a verb. It's an action. You're doing it. So let's color it. Fish. Fish is a thing. It's a noun. It's an animal. So it's not a verb. There's no action here. We don't color it. Hut is also a noun. It's not a verb. There is no action. It's a thing. Run. Yes. Run. You need to run with your legs. So it's an action. Roar. Roar is the sound that a lion makes. It's an action. So let's color the verbs here. Answer the questions by looking at the picture and then choosing the word from the box. What is Meenu doing? What is Meenu doing? Meenu is swimming. So let's write swimming here. It's a verb. It's an action. Swimming. What is Harjit doing? Harjit is eating. It's an action. What is Amit doing? Amit is running. Is there running here in our options? Yes, it is. Running. Running. What about this? What is Vicky doing? He's yawning or he's crying? He's crying. Yes, there are tears here. He's crying. 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 What is Hansi doing? She's playing. 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 What is Mohit doing? Mohit is writing. Mohit is writing. So there'll be many options and you have to just write the answer. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Now let's go to the next page. The next page, not the next page. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are. A rose dash a beautiful flower. A rose, is it are a beautiful flower? Is it am a beautiful flower or is a beautiful flower? Yes, you're very smart. A rose is a beautiful flower and is the verb here. We are Indians because it's more than one. Rita is playing because it's a singular noun. Rita is playing basketball. Cubs dash the babies of tigers. Cubs are the babies of tigers. My mother dash my best friend. My mother is my best friend. There dash 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. I dash 5 years old. What is it? I am 5 years old. I dash playing with Anil. I am playing with Anil. A kitten dash a baby cat. A kitten is a baby cat. They dash going to the office. They are going to the office. So can you see these verbs here? These are the being verbs of is, are and am. So let's use it correctly. Next one, fill in the blanks with has or have. They dash done their homework. When you see they, what will you use? You will use have. H-A-V-E because they is more than one. I dash to come tomorrow. I has to come tomorrow. Wrong. Whenever you see I or you, we have to add the verb have. I have to come tomorrow. She has a beautiful dress. This is a singular, only one person. So has. He has an electronic toy. They is more than one. So what shall we use? Has or have? Who can tell me? Yes, it is have. They more than one means have. I means have. You means have. He has met my parents. I have to hold the books. I have to hold the books. They dash to come on time. They have to come on time. Reema dash a new study table. Reema has a new study table. Mrs. Meenu has a big car. So let's revise all these exercises for our Essay 1 test. Okay. So we'll be having only fill in the blanks and exercises for the grammar. We will also have this lesson. Okay. And don't write any of this in your classwork.